We are at our Brandywine Creek project here in Northeast Ohio. We're very fortunate to have partners like Nature Conservancy who decided to purchase the site in 2020 and have since sought funds to restore different parts of the 200-acre property. And we immediately identified these two streams as being in desperate need of restoration. They were deeply entrenched, completely cut off from their floodplains. They had very little in-stream habitat for wildlife. These streams flowed through a maturing forest. So we needed someone who had stream restoration experience and expertise to work on this project. But we also needed to feel comfortable that they could be sensitive to our concerns, our project partners' concerns, and also a good understanding of requirements from the regulatory agencies. And ultimately, this is why we decided to select Davey Resource Group.
Davey Resource Group was selected by the Nature Conservancy to complete what's called a design-build delivery of this stream restoration project. We're involved with every aspect of this project, from its design through its permitting and coordination, all the way into construction, planting, seeding, and final site stabilization. This stream corridor through here, these are two small tributaries to Brandywine Creek, were heavily degraded. They were entrenched with eroding vertical banks in many areas. And so the goals that we were working towards were, how can we perform the necessary ecological lift on the stream while also preserving as much of this nice riparian cover. These trees are already providing a lot of habitat benefits. They're helping to shade the stream, which helps keep the temperature of the water down, which makes it more suitable for fish and macroinvertebrates that live in the water. The roots are already doing a job helping prevent further erosion on the banks. And then they're also providing organic input and woody input to the stream. A whole lot of people came together to make this project a reality.
Some of the challenges that we faced when we went to construction was working around the existing tree canopy and get the stream corridors to blend with the existing environment. Our partner, Mark's Construction, was able to utilize different size equipment and some of the tighter corridors that we had to work in. We would walk it together and discuss how to adjust banks, slopes in the stream to be able to get the material excavated off-site.
These projects are really complicated. The regulatory agencies wanted to see as much floodplain additions as possible while trying to limit impacts to trees. Our project partners have their own vision for the site, and we might have yet a third interpretation of what we think should be done here. And Davey Resource Group did a really good job of balancing all these different viewpoints to ultimately build a project that everybody's happy with.